Grammy, where's your ball? Ball? What is that? You like putting it in the garbage? There's your ball. Can I have it? No, give it to Mommy. Give it to Mommy. No, I don't want your hand. I want the ball. Give it to Mommy. Thank you. Thank you for your ball. Where'd it go? Where's your ball? Where's your ball? Where are you going to put it now? Oh, it goes in there? Yes, that's your ball. Say bye-bye. Yeah, bye-bye. Can you say mama? Bye-bye. Can you say mama? Just ball? Ball. Hey, Grammy, can you blow a kiss? Good boy. Can you blow a kiss? Off your head? Can you blow a kiss? Good boy.